Nevada's congressional races. This, of course, ahead of the big November general election.
Our 8 News Now Emerson College The Hill poll shows the House and Senate races are all very competitive, and we've got just 4 months to go. Politics Now host John Langler breaks down those numbers.
Right now in Washington, Democrats hold the House and have a slim majority in the Senate. Republicans know there's a big opportunity, though, to flip seats and flip control in the midterms. Our polling shows they're not far off. The race getting the most financial and advertising attention is for Senate. Democrat Catherine Cortez Masto is trying to hold on to her seat against Republican challenger and former Attorney General Adam Laxalt. Right now, Senator Cortez Masto leads with 44%. But Laxalt isn't far behind at 41%. 9% are undecided. Unlike some of her Democratic colleagues, polling shows Ms. Cortez Masto is doing well with minority voters. Spencer Kimball's a pollster with Emerson College.
The question is going to be over the next couple of months, can either the Republicans expand their vote and pick up some of that minority vote? Do the Democrats expand some of their voting? Recently,
Nevada Democratic lawmakers redrew congressional boundaries. Their goal was to spread out enough of their supporters to keep swing districts safe. Right now, all 3 races with Democratic incumbents in southern Nevada are very close. In District 1, incumbent Dina Titus holds a 4.5-point lead over Republican challenger Mark Robertson. Nearly 17% are undecided. In northern Nevada's District 2, incumbent Republican Mark Amadei leads his challenger by around 11 points. Incumbent Democrat Susie Lee leads her race in District 3 by just 2 points over Republican April Becker. 13% are undecided. Democrat Stephen Horsford has a similar lead in his battle to keep serving District 4. He leads Sam Peters by 3 points. Once again, 13% are undecided.
At first, third, and fourth was a gamble that the Democrats took to make the third and fourth more Democrat, in the first district a little bit less. We'll see if that pays off in November.
It means the efforts by both parties to flip all 5 seats will only increase heading into November. John Langler, live, local, now.